Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the flow meter and the water pump that you see right here. This one is from 2006, this water pump. And we also had to replace the thermoblock. We thought there was a leak around here, but unfortunately this thermoblock has a hole on that little dot that you see right here. So we had to replace it with a newer one, and yeah, that's all we did. We cleaned a little bit around the grinder as well as around the machine, and yeah, that's all. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use some hot water and then the steam of the espresso machine. Grinder. Hot beans, perfect. Now, as you can see, there's a nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Working great. Hot water the machine. Working excellent, nice steady flow, nice good stream, and excellent temperature as well. And now for the steam, soon after we fill up the tank, so just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, and as you saw, the water tank sensor definitely works. So starting with one steam, now we can test the steam functions of the machine. It's going to take a little bit for the machine to build up some pressure, for the thermoblock to get the temperature, and the water pump to start pulsating and pushing water from the thermoblock to the two solenoid located right here, and then to the steam one. And as you can see now, the thermoblock is in temperature, so we can clearly see steam coming out of the steamer. Excellent pressure, really good flow, and excellent temperature. As now I am burning my hands. Working perfectly fine. As you can see, steaming excellent. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.